Hey guys, welcome to Marvelous Moonflowers makeup looks with me, Ellie. Today we are going to do the Sunkissed tanned look. If you're ready, let's go! So first we're going to start with a primer. I've got the Max Factor Face Finity All Day Primer. It's got an SPF of 20. We're just going to put that all over our face and our neck. I like to colour correct. As you can see, I've got a lot of blemishes, so the green one is perfect for covering your spots. So we're just going to put that on every little spot we have. Next, I'm going to colour correct my under eyes. The red is perfect for cancelling out all those bluey purpley tones. What I've used is the Sleek Crimson Powder Brush. It's a creme blush and it's lovely. So we're just going to do that under our eyes. Now for the green, I've got the Masked Ombre Blender, but I use that to just blend out all of the colour correct. We're literally doing that all over our face, blending, blending, blending till you basically can't see it. Now we're going to our concealer. I've got the L'Oreal True Match Concealer. It is in Rose Ivory. We're just going to place that over our colour correct just to hide all that colour. If you've got a thicker foundation, feel free to use that, and then you can use a concealer just to highlight. Next we're going in with foundation. I have the Bourjois Paris Healthy Mix Serum Gel Foundation. It's got a little bit of coverage. I'm just going to go everywhere with that. If you can notice, I'm not doing my eyelids. You don't need to do your eyelids. If you want to use an eyeshadow, use a primer. Your eyes have a lot of moisture, so you don't, again, need to do the eyelid. That's what causes your makeup to look a bit matted if you put it on your eyelids. Next, we've got our setting powder. If you like the dewy finish, don't use a setting powder. It's not for everyone. But the setting powder I've got is, again, Bourjois Paris, and it's the Silk Edition in Porcelain. I just prefer a matte finish, that's all. Now we're going to go on to mascara. Now I absolutely adore this mascara. My sister got it for me for Christmas. It's the Barry M That's How I Roll. It's specifically to lift and curl your lashes. So what I'll do is I'll use the shorter bristles first and curl my lashes, and then I'll flip it over and use the longer bristles. And I'll do under my eye as well, my lower lashes. Okay, onto our brows. I know it's bad, but I use this Pound Shop Makeup Gallery Slay the Brow Kit. I've got the Blonde Foursquare and I use the lightest shade. I like using this. I first bought the Pound Shop ones just because I was first starting makeup. I didn't know what to buy, so I wanted to try different things. I've been in love with it ever since. Just because it's cheap doesn't mean it's bad necessarily. It's one of my favourite things to use. I prefer to use this over the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil, and that's saying something. Next, we're going to prep our lips. I have the Lush Sugar from Fairy Lip Scrub. I love using this lip scrub. It tastes great. As you can see. We're just going to prep our lips with that. Next, I'm going in with a W7 Hot Shot Pout Pumping Gloss. I bought this at a beauty outlet, the one that's in the O2. Hopefully it's open so I can get some more. But basically, it's kind of like one of those bee sting balms, and it plumps up your lips, which is really good. I use this under lipsticks, I'll use it under glosses. It doesn't take very long to take effect, and as you can see, it's already plumping my lips. Now we're going to go in with our gloss. I've got the Hawaiian Tropic Lip Gloss. The flavour is Island Berry, tastes gorgeous, looks gorgeous. Shade Lucid Delabra. Now we've got our bronzer, which is Essence. It is Sunkissed Beauty. We're going to kind of apply this similar to how we'd apply a contour, obviously not as dark. So I'm just going around my hairline, around my jawline, a little bit into my cheeks, around my ears, anywhere that you get that beautiful sun-kissed glow. Down onto my neck. If you're wearing something off the shoulder, you can do your collarbones just to make them prominent and pop. You can do your shoulders, you can do the shoulder joint, anywhere that's going to make you look like you've got that gorgeous tanned look. I'll also do it across my nose as well, just because that's where I mostly tan. We're just making it look like I've got this beautiful sun-kissed glow, even though the sun is practically non-existent in England. Next we're going in with a baked blush. This is a Revolution Baked blush and it's called Hard Day. This is my favourite blush. I'll use it with most of my full face looks. For this look we're only using a little bit just to give ourselves that little rosy glow. Now we're going in with the highlights. This hasn't got a specific name, but again it's Revolution. We're just going to put that under our brows, the nose, cheekbone, wherever it's going to catch that sheen. Also put it on my cupid's bow and under my lip as well. Look at the pout on my lips. Look at that gorgeous pout. That pumping gloss is amazing. Okay guys, there is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed. I'm looking tanned beautifully. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. Bye!